Hi guys, Scott Barry here. In this video, we're going to go over how to change the scale or alternate tunings. Now this can be done per part, and if you remember, in a scene, we can have up to 4 different parts. Now each part can have its own tuning. So let me show you where to find this. We've got our sound. In this case, it's just a piano, but we would go into Menu, Scene Edit, Enter, cursor to the right, and now we're getting into the individual part parameters per tone. So I'm going to show you a quick little trick of how to move through these things pretty quickly. You'll see here it starts with part level, and if I cursor down, I'm moving one at a time. And then you'll see there's another section here, pitch. So the way to move through the different sections quickly is to hold the shift button down and then use the arrow down. And you'll see that you jump actual sections. Modify now, control, MIDI, and then here's scale. So for the scale change, I can change it from equal to just major to just minor, and things like Arabic tunings. Now the other thing that we can do in this is that I can go down to each key and change the cents, meaning the cent tuning of each note. And you'll see in here, you've got minus 51, minus 12, minus 2. And these are for all Ds or all D sharps, all Es, etc., etc. So this is something that can be very, very cool in being able to custom tune something that you may want. So here's equal tuning or equal temperament, and I'm just going to play a major C scale. And now if we change it to one of the other options like Arabic, for instance, and I play the same scale, anyways, once you're done, make sure that you save the scene so that we go into Write, Scene, Enter, and then find its location. Let's go up here in a blank area, Enter, Enter, Enter. And now we've saved that tuning. I hope this video helped. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.